Hi, welcome back students. Today's section I am going to start a new chapter, that is a circle. So what is a circle? The collection of points in a plane which are fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle. So here it is a circle. So fixed point or fixed distance from a fixed point. So this fixed point is called a center of the circle. Center of the circle, and it is denoted as a O. And this fixed distance is called a radius of the circle. Radius, and it is denoted as small r. Is it clear? And what is the radius? The line joining center and any points on a circle is called a radius. Center and any points on a circle is called a radius. So here it is also radius and it is also radius. So is it clear? So what is the radius? And now the circle divides the plane in three parts. So which are, one is inside the circle, and another one is a circle, and outside the circle. So inside the circle is called a interior. So inside the circle is called the interior of the circle, and another one on the circle. So it is circle on the circle, and another one outside. Outside it means exterior of the circle. So interior, on the circle, and exterior. So this plane is divides the circle in three parts. Which one? Interior of the circle, on the circle, exterior of the circle. Is it clear? And now, so chord. What is the chord? So line joining any 2 points on a circle. So here these 2 points joining here this line. So this one is called a chord. Chord. It is a chord, right? And when the chord passes through the center, so this chord is passes through the center, then this one is called a PQ is called a diameter. So here AB is the chord, and that chord is when passes through the center of the circle, that time the chord become a diameter. PQ is the diameter. So this PQ is also called a largest chord. PQ is also called a largest chord, and AB is also chord, and PQ is the diameter. When the chord is passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter, and it is denoted as a small d, right? And so here d is equal to 2r, 2 times of a radius. Here, see here, PO is the radius of the circle and OQ is the radius of the circle. So sum of these two radius, this become a diameter. Is it clear? So well students, the next concept is a arc. So what is the arc? The pieces of a circle is called a arc. So here is the circle. So this circle we make a 2 piece. So I will make here 2 piece. This pieces is called a arc. I will give name here A, B. So here C and here D. A, D, B is a arc, and here also A, C, B is also arc, right? The pieces of a circle is called a arc, and in this arc there is a 2 types of arc. One is a major and another one is a minor. So which one is a smaller? It is a minor arc. So here ADB. So this is the arc symbol. ADB is a minor arc. Is it clear? And here ACB is major arc. So which one is the larger inside? larger in a size is called a major arc. Which one is a smaller in a size is called a minor arc. So is it clear? Which one is a major, which one is a minor, right? So next one is a segment. So what is this segment? The region between chord and arc is called a segment. So here, so it is the circle and it is the center of the circle, right? So chord, here PQ is the chord. So the region between arc, so here it is arc and chord. So this area, so this region is called a segment. It is also segment and here it is also segment. Is it clear? The region between chord and arc is called a segment. And here two types of a segment here also. So one is a major segment, another one is a minor segment. So which one is a major, which one is a minor? So the region between chord and a minor arc is called a minor segment. When is a minor arc, that is minor segment. Minor segment. It is a minor segment. And this one is a major segment. So the region between chord and a major arc is called a major segment. Major segment. It is a major segment. It is a minor segment. Is it clear? And now, the next concept is a sector. So what is a sector? A region between arc and two radii. The region between arc and two radii is called a sector. So here we will draw. It is a circle. And here XZ is a arc, right? So the region between arc and two radii. So here it is a radius and here one is radius. So two radii. So is it? So this area is called a sector. Is it clear? So here also two types of a sector. One is a major and another one is a minor. So what is a minor sector? The region between minor arc and radii is called a minor sector. So it is minor, it is major sector. Right? It is major, it is minor. Is it clear? So now, what is a circle? The collection of all points in a plane which are fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle. The fixed point is called a center of the circle and a fixed distance is called a radius of the circle. Is it clear? Then a chord, the line segment joining the any 2 points on a circle is called a chord, right? So here PQ is the chord. So which the chord is when passes through the center of the circle, it become a diameter, right? And also the circle divides the plane in three parts. One is interior and on the circle, another one is exterior, right? And the pieces of a circle is called a arc. So here minor arc and major arc. So here see here minor arc, major arc, right? And here it is a segment, the region between chord and arc, corresponding arc, right? So corresponding arc is a minor, it means it is a minor arc. The corresponding arc is a major, means it is a major segment. Arc is a minor, means minor segment. Arc is a major, means major segment, right? Similarly here also the sector, the region between arc and two radii. So arc is a minor, means a minor sector. Arc is a major, means a major sector, right? So arc is a minor, major is depending here. So which size is a bigger is a major arc, which size is a smaller is a minor arc, right? So when the chord is exactly divides two pieces in a circle, right? So it means it is a semicircle, right? So this one is called a semicircle. It is a segment. It is a semicircle. Semicircle. Is it clear? So area of a circle is equal to 2 pi r and the area of a semicircle is equal to pi r. Is it clear?